Diba? Para siyang filter, but it's not filter. It's not filter. Hey guys, today may pupuntahan akong Valentine's Day day. Really prepared. Oh my gosh. Nag-prepare ako, nakapag-makeup na ako, and then I found myself looking parang medyo kulang. Yun nga, yung lashes ko, hindi na gumagana yung ginagamit kong mascara. But then, I realized na meron pala akong ganito. I bought this on TikTok shop, and I will put the link down below. Napakamura and affordable nito. And this comes with the tweezers na and the glue. And napakadali niyang suotin, lalo na kapag like now, nagmamadali ka. Kagaya ko ngayon. Nanginginig ako. Kalimutan ko mag-film. So, I'm on my next eye. Ayan, you see that? Di ko pa yan siya naka-curl. Curl ko siya. Hindi papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mukha niya kapag na-curl. So, see? Ano pa yan? Wala pa yung mascara. So, this is what it looks like kapag mayroong mascara. So, di ba? Para siyang filter, but it's not filter. It's not filter. What are you waiting for? Get yours. Bye, guys.